My friends, hello. This video will be about frame drum in Lapstyle position and about split hand technique. My name is Alex Ostapenko and I really appreciate all your comments, all your likes for my previous videos where I explain more basic things about frame drum. So after a long time I decided to make a new video, and I hope you will again give me some comments about it and put some likes and share and send your friends who are also frame drum. So what is split hand? Split hand is when you take your lower hand, I will call it lower hand. I'm a right-handed, but some people are left-handed, so when I teach privately I call it lower hand. You split it like this. Index finger with thumb, they create a one team, the first team, and those three fingers they create the second team. And when you play, you rotate in this way. So when you hit with your index and thumb team, these three fingers help to make this motion more strong, because they go in this direction and their mass is helping. And the opposite is also like that. Yeah. So first of all, let's move our hand here to the membrane and make the first. It's a muted sound. You take your index and thumb and stick it to this skin, and you see what happens with these three fingers. They are ready to do the next step. And that's the first exercise. It is taken from Indian Kanjira. Slowly, you just try it. What is wrong is when you do like this. When you hit and remove it immediately, yeah? You need to leave your hand there. And leave it. Leave it. First try slowly, just to make sure that you make this muted sound, okay? And then, when you feel that you can do it a little faster, make your internal metronome a little faster and go. Make sure you do this rotation. And one more important thing is, imagine there is like some line. So both steps, step number 1 and step number 2, they hit the same line. So it's not like this. This is another mistake. So make the rotation bigger. So when you can, you do it a little faster. And then you can also apply accents. So the first exercise will be taka-di-mi, 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 taka-di-mi. And ta is the accent. Taka. I remind you not to do like this and rotate more. When you can go faster, you will be like this. You can try moving your hand along the skin to find the different little nuances of the sound. This is more bassy and more like giving some sustain. This is more muted. Okay. Next thing, you can do takita, 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 and in this case you will change the accent from index and thumb team to three fingers team. So the first is index, ta, ki, ta. Next is three fingers will make the accent. Ta, ti, ta. 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 And then, of course, you can make it faster. And so on and so on. Okay, another variation of a split hand, when you separate index and ring finger. And for this, you need to play at the edge of the drum. So when you want open sounds. And you can even use it. It's the same idea, so first you do it slowly, but you choose the same point to hit with the index and with ring finger. And please do this movement very actively. Again, you can apply takatimi and takita. It was takadimi, little fast, and then takita. Imagine that you are walking, like, you know, when you walk, you use two legs, yeah? So here it's two fingers. And when you can do it in this tempo, you can go faster. It will take some time. For me, it took several years, maybe, to practice, but or maybe half year, I don't know. But then you can do it a little faster, like tremolo. You can do it like very fast. So for this you need to come back to this idea of index plus thumb and three fingers and make it tarikita doom, tarikita doom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For doom you need to separate the thumb from index and make doom, and again connect them. So it's a dance of your fingers. Sometimes they are together and sometimes split. Boom. It's all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tarikita da, tarikita doom, tarikita da, tarikita doom. Okay, so you see how many things you can do if you split your hand into two parts. So please let me know in the comments, did you like this video? Did you like this technique? Did you practice it? And if you want to have some more ideas, more inspiration about playing frame drum, maybe some more lessons and more exercises for split hand, because there are many. So please put the like, subscribe to my channel, and write some comments so I feel more motivated to create more lessons for you.